born to roam wild and free in the country. Taught respect for everything she ever had. Summer days of hard work and play threw her worries away. Kick a view in front of you is what they'd all say. But she's dancing in the rain, letting smiles across her face, asking God for just a little more joy. Asking strangers about their day, tried her best to often pray, never missed a chance to make a little noise. And when the sun sets down, she's got her head in the clouds. Chocolate hair, coffee eyes that sparkle when she smiled. 5 feet flat, with chaos trailing close behind. The golden days turned to gray just to rip the light away, but she vowed not to lose sight of the light. So she danced out in the rain despite the tears upon her face, begging God for just a little more joy. Asked a stranger about their day, set out time just to pray, never missed a chance to make a little noise. And when the sun sets down, she had her head in the clouds. And this one's for the people who dream to keep them sane, and the ones